Daily video day 30, February 16th. Remember this day, it is day when I will pass my final test. Everything is good, you remember that? My mantra, that everything will be okay. And also I finished my tax return. I sent it to my accountant because I love to do all of the taxes in January, because I know tax season is till April 15th, but I love to finish it in January, and like I'm not busy anymore about this thing, and I know how many taxes should I pay. That's my strategy. I love to do that. And also no snow, nothing. All of the United States, are almost all of the United States, under the snow except Utah. Utah does not have any snow. I think it is almost melted on the mountains. I don't know what's going on. Why Utah does not have anything, but anyway. But we're freezing right now. No, right now it's not freezing enough. It's just 36 degrees. That's not really freezy, especially in desert place. In Utah is desert, and with low humidity level, it means when it's 36, that's not really freezy. But before it was 11, it was 15, it was 18 degrees, it was really freezy. Yeah, anyway, except that everything is pretty good in my life, in my personal life. Yes, in my personal life everything is pretty good. Okay, thank you so much that you follow me. See you tomorrow.